Hello, friends. You're all welcome back to our second edition of General Knowledge, or we can call it Current Affairs, right? Now, I have written three questions on the board at a go so that we can also, while I'm answering it, you can also try your best to answer even before I put out the answers. Let's refresh our memory and remember all that we have forgotten when we're growing up. It can also help in training your children, right? Now let's look at this. We have who invented the telephone? Who invented the telephone? And the person is Alexander Graham Bell. He's the one that invented the telephone. Let's look at number 2. We have, what does the E in CEO stand for? What does the E in CEO stand for? And it stands for executive. The E there stands for what? Executive. Now let's look at number 3. We have, how many years are in 5 decades? How many years are in 5 decades? Now, for you to answer this question, you first of all find out what is a decade. A decade is 10 years. A decade is what? 10 years, and you have 5. So it's going to be 5 times 10, which is 50. Let's look at number 4. Now let's look at number 4. It says, which continent is known as the dark continent? Which continent do you think is known as the dark continent? That continent is Africa. Africa is known as the dark continent due to the mystery surrounding its interior, and also because of the limited knowledge that has been in that region before the 19th century. But now, I don't think it can be referred to as a dark continent again. Let's look at number 5. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? That country is Canada with 202,008 kilometers. Canada with what? 202,080 kilometers. Kilometers? Yeah. Let's look at number 6. What is the largest country in South America? The largest country in South America is Brazil. Which continent is the only one with land in all 4 hemispheres? Which country is the only one with land in all 4 hemispheres? That continent, sorry, not country, continent is Africa. Number 8 says, what is the name of the line that separates the earth into northern and southern hemispheres? The line that separates the earth into northern and southern hemispheres. We call that line the line of equator. We call it what? The line of equator at 0 latitude degrees. That is what separates the earth into 2 hemispheres, the northern and the southern. So it's line of what? Equator. Which sea is the saltest in the world? And the sea is the Dead Sea, which has a salinity of about 34%. So that is why it's regarded as the what? The saltest in the world. The Dead Sea is the saltest in the world. Then number 10, If a school was built in 1920, what year would that be after a century? If a school was built in the 1920s, what year would that be after a century? Please, I want to see this answer in the comment to show that you actually participated in this class today. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Hope you were able to remember some of the things you have forgotten. Bye. And remember to also subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.